Today's Industry Expo and Plant Leadership Conference is a combination of two events that GBRIA has been doing for several years. We've taken our Plant Leadership Conference from our annual meeting and combined it with our Industry Expo to create one large event that draws a crowd. The hope for today is to create professional development opportunities for our members and our partners, and as well as create opportunities for networking and to provide access to local vendors and suppliers. The big message is about leadership. I would say the core of leadership is listening and communication, and so we've learned a lot about the importance of that and the importance of leading well. Servant leadership has come up a lot. It's been a great professional development opportunity for those who are here.
This morning's breakout session was about two companies looking at the client and looking at the contractor side who have won awards recently. So basically, we got them in this breakout session and wanted the opportunity to let them share what made a difference and what brought them to the place that made them, first of all, CF win their internal award, what set them apart with CF and internally, and then what set apart as far as the contractor, and that contractor was Lodestar, and wanted to know, hey, let's listen to what was different about your company that gave you the opportunity in your submission to separate yourselves from many applicants across the greater Baton Rouge area. These breakout sessions are important for two reasons. Number one, for the employees that are actually giving the presentations. If you notice, these people were people that actually worked in the actual site. They weren't the CEO, the plant manager, but these were people that had an opportunity. First of all, they were empowered by the employees to actually bring up innovations and actually implement these, but then gives them an opportunity, gives them positive recognition to go out and represent the company at their level and talk about and show the passion and the commitment of the whole organization. For the people that were in the audience, the important thing is this: we have to learn from each other. That we're all in silos inside of our facilities, and if we always stay there, then we can't grow. So this gives an opportunity to hear, first of all, looking at somebody who's beginning to achieve excellence in that mode, and said, hey, I can learn from them, and we can try this. And so it gives them an opportunity to grow in their own, first of all, professional growth themselves, and also listen to how other people are tackling all the same type of issues we all face.
Today, I led a discussion on leading in a hybrid environment. The intent was to help share leadership strategies to help those members who have members that aren't physically at their site, helping them to engage them and make sure that they get the most out of those employees so that they can deliver the safety, quality, and delivery part of their businesses. We're being asked to do more with less, and with that, we need to invest in our people to make sure that we set them up and the business up for success.
Our Industry Expo is drawing about 50 local vendors and suppliers from around the state and the region. We also have about 30 of our manufacturing facility members represented here at the conference.
We're hoping to make some industrial contacts. We do a lot of work as it is already for a lot of plants, and we're hoping to make some new contacts. There's a lot of good networking here, whether it's with the future customers or other vendors who might introduce you to a future customer. So that's what makes them important for us. I sit on a number of committees throughout the state for engineering, other type associations. GBRIA is one of them, and I think GBRIA brings probably the best industrial context for me when I go to events versus some of the other ones that I also participate in. So GBRIA is an important, association for us to be involved with.
If you have not heard about GBRIA, I would encourage you to look up the organization online, talk to others who may be familiar with them, but join and learn and understand how you can actually contribute to GBRIA's mission and how you may benefit from it.
I have been personally involved with GBRIA for probably 25 years. And I have worked for different companies. And the important thing that GBRIA brings to the area of the greater Baton Rouge is that the industry gets to come together and, number one, share best practices. That's a big factor, is that, hey, how are you handling this? Because again, we're all dealing with the same workforce. We're all dealing with the same risks that we have to deal with. We also deal within the same society and culture that we live in and we also work in. So GBRIA gives that opportunity for the right people to come together, and instead of each individual plant trying to address certain issues, that they come together and are stronger to address it together.
We've had a great turnout today. I'm really excited to see so many plant members and partners coming together, and everyone seems to be learning and growing together, and it's been a good, successful start to this new event. To find out more about GBRIA, please visit www.gbria.org.